DailyBot workflows are very simple no-code automations that you can create using DailyBot and run from your chat. So I'm going to show you the basics of what a workflow is and how to create it. To create a workflow, we're going to go to the sidebar and click on Automation and Add-ons. And once we're here, we're going to click on Create a Workflow. So these are the basics of a workflow. A workflow starts when a condition is met or when a when event happens. It could be you trigger it manually by running a command, or you trigger it when a command is run, or you can do it on a schedule so that it's repetitive. You can do it, for example, when a user completes a check-in, you can notify people, or you can notify managers when a user reports a blocker using workflows. Or, for example, there's an event when a user is added, you can perhaps send them documentation or onboarding information. So when we select an event, a when event, I'm going to select on a schedule. Then you can select an action. And you can select various actions, actually. And you can select any combination of actions that you want. So when the condition is met, then you can do something else with DailyBot. You can generate content with AI, for example. You can, get a check-in response and then generate content with AI based on that form or check-in response. You can select a random form record if you want to, post something from a form, a random response from your clients or your own team, and post it in the chat, for example. You can run a command if you have a command outside of a workflow that has some custom code in it or a certain message. You can also generate an email. You can give kudos when the workflow is created. You can do a variety of actions with a workflow. But this is the general structure of it. An event happens and then an action is performed after the event, or a combination of actions are performed.